In this video, we're going to show you how to make sure your Busby is in working order. First, try replacing the battery. This is located on the back of your device underneath the battery cover. While doing this, you can also clean off your battery connectors with a soft cloth to make sure the connection isn't being weakened by any dust in the compartment. Next, give your Busby a sharp shake. Busbys are designed with tiny connecting wires, and sometimes they just need to be realigned with a small wiggle. And now you're ready to file. If you're still experiencing problems with your Busby after trying out these tips, feel free to contact us. You can reach out via email at hello@zoli-inc.com or direct message us on Instagram or Facebook at ZoliDays. Thanks for joining us.